Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to the Wellish channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer Robux to other people in Roblox. Go to Roblox, create from the account that you want to receive Robux. Click the Create button. Here, click Create Map. Yes, create a map and publish it. Click on the three dots, open in new window. Here, select Developer Items. Click Add Developer Item. Name it. Write a description. Enter the amount of Robux you want to transfer. Click Save. Next, simply share this map's ID with your friend, right? Or whoever you need to send it to. Then go back to Roblox. Now from your friend's account, find your place using your code. There, or you can view it through your profile. Here's the creation. Go here and there's a store with passes you created. Just buy them from the other account. This was Weller with you. Goodbye, everyone.